How to fix Discord green screen camera problem. Today guys, I have the solution how to fix and solve this problem. Just watch it till the end. So let's start. So first you have to go and open the settings of your phone. After this, go directly to apps or applications. Here you will find all the applications that you have on your phone. So you will search now just for Discord. When you found Discord, just open it like this and go to storage option. Then click on clear data, click OK, and go back and click on force stop and click OK. And the last things is to go to Play Store and update in your Discord again. And that's it guys. I hope this video is helpful for you. Do not forget to like, also subscribe in our channel. See you in another video.